that in there. Okay. So finally got all this stuff replaced. Got rid of all the copper. And ran it all the way to the water tank, hot water tank. That goes all the way back. Now I need to replace all this stuff, which is kind of a bear because I don't know if you can tell, but real tight quarters. But I gotta replace this guy and this guy under here. And hopefully I don't run into anything crazy over here, which I don't see why we would. So this piece was kicking my butt trying to get this thing out of here for about 4 hours. It's finally out. This fucking, sorry.
Whip it out the window.
Very may you lie in peace. Yep, that's just about the last of it. Start cutting. Scary time. This is my old copper, what I just pulled out. And this is the new PEX that I'm putting in. Looks alright. Gotta do the quick connect over there and over here. Officially replaced all the copper with all this PEX. All the way to my water heater. Runs all the way back. Hey, back here. I did it all myself. Very last piece. Test. And my dad put that piece in, and there's like support there and support in the corner, and then I put that 4x4 in there to support this, because it is old and needs a little support. Still gotta cover this back area up back there, put a little cover over that. Yeah, figure out what I'm gonna put in there.